Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. I received an Amazon package today, and it's called the Cup Turner. And I wanted to do a video and open it up and share it with everybody. So let's open it up. Okay. Okay. Here's what the inside looks like. Okay, you can see that there. Okay. So we got like a little brochure type thing. Okay. We got, looks like a little like a little nut and bolt or something like that. We got looks like four poles. Three, I don't know, something, but we'll figure it out as we go along here. Okay, we got a packet of, was it ARTDT glitter? It's like glitter. Okay. We got, looks like two legs or pedestals or something. Okay. Got some what's that? Lexan gloves. We also got, looks like popsicle sticks and two spatulas right here. And right here we have two foam, looks like spools, I guess, or something. They're foamy. Oops. And I'm flying it. Foamy. Okay. We got a Phillips screwdriver, short one. We also have two small foamies. And we also have a, looks like base. Or no, sorry, this isn't the base. Okay. Plugs in. Got a switch right here. Turn on, turn off or something. Okay. And here is the front. Okay. Oh, okay. And these, okay. So I think I know what it is. All right. So so you put the dowels or poles onto here, and I think as you see that this right here this right here, just the nut bolt down screws, and you slide them on, and you basically put the nut bolt through the pole, okay, and then it basically holds it into place. And I think the foamy part fits on there, but we're getting there. We'll do it. Okay, so that's that. Set that down. Okay, looks like we got little hardware here. Okay. Loose screws. Okay. You can see that. Loose screws right there. Okay. Try not to lose these. Okay. Nothing else in there. Okay. And we also have, okay, we also have, looks like we have the base. This is the actual base. Okay, if you can see that. Oh, sorry, my bad. All right, see the actual base. Sorry, the ring light's in the way. There it is, ring base. Okay, so that looks like. And inside of here, I'm not sure exactly what that is. Okay, I guess we'll figure it out. Okay, so right now, here's the base. Okay, so I'm gonna put the camera down so that way you all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so right here is the okay, so right here is, so here's the base, and here is the this right here, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this right here has 1, 2, 3, okay, holes, and I believe that these 3 holes, okay, actually fit 1, 2, 3. And it's got to look like a foamy type, I guess like a seal on it or something. So it looks like this. Cord goes through it like that. Oh, okay. Goes like that. Yeah, it goes like that. So it looks like it's got to be brought up without actually letting this thing go, because this table is glass. I really don't feel like shattering glass. Would be a good idea to do. So it's got to somehow line it up. One. Okay. So this is what it looks like so far. Sorry about the cord. Cord gets everywhere. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Okay. There's the back. See, there's 1, 2, 3 screws. Okay. Now we have to put the pegs on, and I believe the pegs, okay, actually have to go this way. So let me tilt this back easy. Like I said, I don't want to shatter the glass. Okay, turn it around. So, oh, sorry about that, folks. Turn around so everybody can see it. All right, so. Whoops. Okay. Which is again, same thing. And now there is no hole on this end, but there is a hole right there. If you can see that on this end, the hole that's on this end goes right in here. Oh, okay. So it goes through here. Let's see if I can do it this way. All right. So hole. So it goes through, and it does that lines. So you gotta line the hole up. I think. I guess line the hole up and up. Pop in like that. There we go. Put this. Okay, so let's take the other one. Okay, sorry. The other one, again, there's a hole here, but nothing at this end. So the one with the hole again goes right. So the hole goes right here. So it goes through this. It looks like a bearing. Actually, it is a bearing. Oh, okay. I guess I learned something new. So this one and this one are bearings. So you put the pole through. Okay, you line it up like so. Okay, like this. Put the screw through. Like up. Okay, good. And now, either these two or these two. So I'm gonna put the largest ones on. So let's put the largest ones on. Like, oh, okay. Now it's making more sense. All right, like that. Okay. Put this aside. Okay. Is this? All right. A glass. Okay. You put a glass over this, and you put a glass over this. Okay. And what you do, you turn it on. Let me see if I can turn it on. So I can show everybody. You take the switch, and they both light up. Now what you do, you turn the switch off, so these go off, and then you can turn that off like that. Then you can just hit the switch, nothing happens. Okay? You turn it back on, you turn it back on, like this, and they're both on. It's kind of weird, but I think what it is that if you're doing a project and you're done with the project, you take the cups off, and I think that's what these are for. So let's open these ones up and check it out. All right, so put this aside, like that. Now these ones right here, you got purple. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. Purple, orange, my favorite color, and I think this is like a green, like a greenish color or something. Okay. Now, what you do, you take this tube, and what you do, you actually works as a tripod. Oh, look at that. Okay. Look at that. So basically, what it is that you can pay. So when you put your cup over this, or if you just want to do one, like put a cup here, you turn it on, and it spins like what you just saw. It spins, and then you make any design you want. Okay, and when you're done, obviously either you let it dry on this, or you take the bottom of the cup, you take your finger at the bottom of the cup and you slide it off. Okay. And what you do is you take your cup. Yeah, that's pretty cool. This is actually pretty cool. So you take your cup. Okay. So you take your cup off here carefully without getting your hands full of paint, and you slide it over this, and you let it dry. So basically, all this is, it looks actually almost like a dart, but with no tip on it. Looks like a dart. It looks like a nice tripod. Pretty cool. Okay. Same thing. You can also, I think you can also buy more of these plastic, I guess plastic rods or whatever it is. Okay. So these are actually PVC. They're actually PVC piping. Okay. And then, yeah, pretty cool. Just like that. Yeah. Yeah, of course, Lex hand gloves, to wear so you don't get nothing on your hands. You got two spatulas in here with popsicle sticks is what they call them. So like mix the paint up or whatever you want to do. And then you basically just take the two spatulas, and as this thing turns, you can do your design. And when you're done doing your design, you take your latex gloves and you pull it off, and then you put it on top of this. You just slide it over top of it and you let it dry. This is actually pretty cool. And like I said, here's the glitter and stuff like that, to do, to mix your colors and do what you want to do different designs and stuff. And right here is, if you lose one of these nuts and bolts, okay, there's a spare one right there, which is nice. So anyway, if anybody's interested in this this double cup turner, okay, the link will be in the description box below. She's heavily into crafts. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment below about the video, please do so. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so any videos that I post, you'll be notified. So see you in the next video. Peace.